the value of the products and services with Ingresos Cybernetico. Many of you have a limited understanding of the internet and how it works, and you feel like maybe you're at a disadvantage. Others of you, you love the compensation, but you really don't have a clear view of what exactly you have. So today, I'm going to do so one by one. I'm going to first share with you the value of what you have in our digital products, in our marketing system products, in our autoresponder system that you get, in our hosting and subdomain services, our cloud services, and so much more. And in this video, I want you to take your time, pause it when you have to, but whatever you do, have a clear understanding of what you have. You'll find that you'll be a much stronger recruiter. You'll be a much stronger business owner because you're not just out chasing money, but you understand and are utilizing the value in which we are providing you. So let's go ahead and get started. I believe the right place to start will be with our digital products. If you look at the digital products, I'm at the English website, and just so you know, in the Spanish, they also have digital products. And in each case, these digital products are not just digital products as many other companies provide them. Some zipped up file you can just download and leave it sit on your computer. No, we have a digital product management system with payment buttons and everything on it so that you, the user, are able to sell and make money. Many of you, you haven't slowed down enough to take a good look at how to use this and to start doing it. You know, the first time I remember providing digital products to a user, on a Thursday night, demonstrated for him how it worked, and by Saturday morning, he'd already made $1,100. You're thinking, what? No way. Yes, way. So let's take a look together, and I'm going to go ahead and just give you an example. For example, here's a WordPress plugin that is very important, very popular, and to be able to manage this site, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the end user goes through. So we have the ability for a user to download them. This is in your back office. You already have these for yourself. You could download it and use any of the products yourself, from WordPress plugins, social network, fan page tools, things to get more customers through Facebook. There's so many different types of products we have available for you at different levels, depending on what level of business you're on. And you're going to see how that part works, but let's just start from stem to stern. Some of you, this is the first time you're getting a close look at what you have. Good for you. Now here's something, it's on regarding Google+. Let's take a look. I'm going to right mouse click and open a new tab because I don't want to destroy the window we're in. Here's the product. In this product, I want you to note that it's a sales letter. The website's already pre-set up for each user, and not only is the website pre-set up, so is the descriptions of what a person has and exactly how your customer can buy it. And what do? Let's just say this is a $17 product. This $17 product, if a customer clicks on it to purchase it, here's the process of what happens for them. Okay, you'll see they have $17. How do they want to pay for it? Well, they just, first of all, they put their name and their email address in so that once they make the purchase, the product is digitally sent to them without question. They get the product digitally sent to them, and what you get in your back office is a pending future commission. And every month, these deposits are made into your e-wallet. How much does the company get? Nothing. How much does the company pay? Whatever finance charges the merchant provider charges us, we charge no one. We eat that money, but we make sure you can have a great income from selling these things. So let's go back and look at another. What other type of products are there? It doesn't matter. This is another WordPress formula site. Here's a create 3D text in your websites and your graphics. Now, people all over the internet, they buy this stuff every day. All over the internet, people are looking for more tools that they could use for their websites. And it doesn't even matter that you don't know much about it. It's not an excuse, though, because you can always download it to learn about it. But it's not needed to sell, because each of these digital products, we give you a website to sell, and we also set up a merchant account so that the money's collected. But just so you understand what you have, to have a website developed and put up and hosted for you, normally that costs money, right? A good website that's going to sell and create income will cost you money. anywhere from $1,200 or even higher if it's going to already have the payment ability with it. So let's take a look again. Another product. I don't know what this is. This is, if you're watching this and you're Spanish speaking, well, I'm glad you're getting a chance to see exactly what this entails. So if someone buys this from you, you could see what the product is, and you can see it goes step by step in explaining to them the value they get in it. How to create 3D text within their website, right? Download. And how to make sure, if you notice the enhancement bubble or the enhancement circle there, that's part of what the product is doing. Now, I'm not reading it because I don't read Spanish, but I will tell you, don't worry, we've got plenty in English as well, but I'm doing this in example so that you all can see how it works. Click download now. A person still has to go and purchase. And in that purchase, they cannot click and go through the purchase process until they have given their name and email address, just so that there's no question about it, that they're going to get their product when they buy it. Now we're going to go back. Those are digital products in Spanish. Let's look at English. Same process. Doesn't matter which language you speak, we've set up the exact same process. You can download any of the products, and you can actually go visit the websites of any product. So, for example, here's Facebook fan page blueprint, future Facebook marketing. I don't know, any of these, Twitter, because some of you are more familiar with those, that's why I'm mentioning them. But it doesn't matter what your story is, same process. I open up a new page, right? Now you could just click it, it'll take you to the site. This URL at the top, that's what you would send in an email or hyperlink to something. Or if you're like many of our users, they just buy a domain or buy a or just create a subdomain with the subdomains they get from us for free, and now they're ready to rock and roll. So here it is, Facebook fan page blueprint, right? Ready to tap into $500 million Facebook users. How do you do it? Well, bam, 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 bam. All the information is already listed here for you. Step by step, what's needed. Step by step, what's needed. Here's what it offers. Here are the benefits. Here are the features already pre-written up for you. Here's a bonus. Here's a second bonus you get, and a third bonus if they take action now. Here is a testimony. And now, here, finally, guess what? Yes, I want it. When they click they want it, it takes them to the page where they pay $37. And the beauty is they're going to go ahead and put their name and email address in, and it'll be sent to them. Here's the beauty. Some of you don't get this. Part of the value you get is what happens if you sell 100 of these. If every day you make sure an email response goes out, a Facebook post goes up, a Twitter post goes up, and at the end of, let's say it takes a whole month to sell 100. You've made $3,700 additional dollars, and you don't have to share it with a company or anyone else. Value of digital products. Let's think a little further. Let's say that every 6 months you want to sell 1,000 of them. So every month you push, you push, you push. You use our autoresponder system to attract and send messages out to many people who are looking for that type of a product. How many users want to know how to use Facebook better? How many new users? Think about it. Every day there are thousands of new Facebook users for the first time. What if they got a chance to see your product, and at the end of 6 months, every 6 months you sold 1,000? That would mean that you would earn $37,000 on top of your commissions. Just so you know the value you have. People are saying, well, what value do I have? Well, even if you don't know about the internet, you can do math. And if you're a business person, you can see the value here. So there, we're taking a look at the digital products. So now that you have that information, it doesn't matter what type of digital product you're looking at, it's all here. So what other stuff do you have? We've got stuff on blogging, on graphics. Like, for example, here's blog widgets and plugins. Many of you don't blog. Blogging is a great way to attract people. There's a whole network marketing company out there, a direct selling company, just based on blogging alone, right? And they're paying, in some cases, up to $5,000 just to get the blogging system. Well, I should say you are able to sell your own blogging system to teach people how to blog. They go step by step. It's a step-by-step tutorial on how to blog. And when they click to buy, it's only $17. Same exact process. You collect their money. It doesn't matter if they're using American Express, MasterCard, or Discover. You will be able to collect the money. So Now that you see that there is value, note that your URL that you would go and create a subdomain for, or just send that link to someone, whenever they send it, our system is going to calculate how much you've earned when they buy it.